I'm just saying, Mark Cruz, if you don't really how to stop posting nonsense, you will get you in trouble. People there, they are all Duterte supporters, Mark Cruz. Do not do not post about that Leni Robredo is gonna run for president of the Philippines alongside with Nicolas Torre. They are not gonna run for president. They're not going to be vice president. Leni, I just want to tell you, Mark Cruz, she's going to run for local mayor for second term. Diyos ko, Mark Cruz, if I just want to tell you, and you're posting against Duterte, what if I say again, Mark Cruz, if the Duterte supporters are going to raid your house, they gonna mob your house, they gonna arson your house. Even Kuya Park official is going to arson your house in San Pedro, Laguna. Even the Duterte supporters, they are arson your house, Mark Cruz. It's not my idea. Oh, the angry mob Duterte supporters are angry at you, Mark Cruz. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're posting in Instagram, and even in Threads, even the other social media platforms. Mark Cruz, stop posting. If me and Wawel Romero are Duterte supporters, we're not posting nonsense. We always posting non-political. We always in Instagram, on Instagram threads, Wawel never post political in Instagram threads. Me, I never post about in Instagram threads about political. No. Oh, the only I post there, my diecast cars. Mark Cruz, if I want to tell you something, even your family members, I'm just gonna say to you, stop posting. Delete that post about against Duterte. Delete that post about Rene Bartebonia. It's nonsense. This is why Kuya Danmar Dayaw is very angry at you because for what you did to Cedric. You're posting political, Mark Cruz. Not even just that. Not only Kuya Danmar Dayo is very angry, everyone are angry at you. Juan Carlo Pabale, Ryan Crisocero, they are angry at you. And even the Duterte supporters, they are angry at you, Mark Cruz. Have you never learned a lesson what you are posting at? For me, Mark Cruz, I just want to tell you something. You will be prohibited using social media by your own parents. Just like me, what happened to me? 3 years I've been hiatus for what I did to David Gill. And I was been 3 years in hiatus on Facebook. For what I did. For me, I never be happened. Look at Paulo Cruzada. Even 3 years in hiatus on Facebook. He was scolded by his parents. And I talked with J. Rick Silva last time, pinagbawalan paggamit ng Facebook si Paulo Cruzada. He was prohibited. That's why pinagbawalan. Let's call it he was prohibited using social media. Pinagbawalan siya sa paggamit ng social media. If I want to say to you, Mark Cruz, you need to stop posting nonsense. I know what you're posting it. You're posting lots of nonsense. Don't you even know, Mark Cruz, that Sara Duterte is a lawyer? What if I say again, Mark Cruz, when I talk with Shania Kiana in WhatsApp, in Messenger, if I say again, if Shania Kiana told me about Mark Cruz, when she said to me, Oh, like I said, if Sara Duterte become a president of the Philippines, so that will be happen to you, Mark Cruz. If you post against her, you might go to jail, Mark Cruz. You might get in prison. You might get sued up cyber libel. Because Mark Cruz, stop posting against about Duterte. Do you want to be happen to Walden Bello, who was been imprisoned for posting against Duterte? Even the Jeffrey Tupas, who was being victim of cyber libel. Mark Cruz, I just want to tell you something. You don't know about cyber libel. If I were you, if I'm just gonna say to you in my YouTube blog, you need to stop posting and slandering against Duterte. That is my warning to you, Mark Cruz. Because you don't know slandering, you don't know cyber libel. You're posting against Duterte. Mark Cruz, you see, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, the Duterte supporters are angry at you. There are lots of Duterte supporters, even me, even Jens, even Teacher Jessa Fernandez, Sir Calvin Cuevas, I just want to mention Teacher Ruth Barrientos, Teacher Joy Pedao Sancheta, Teacher May Tiburcio, do you remember Kapitana Salonga? She is a Duterte supporter. Nanay Net, Ate Isa, even Ate Hana and Kuya Mel are Duterte supporters. Kuya Park Official, who was a Duterte supporter. They will mob your house, Mark Cruz. Believe me, you need to stop posting.